Holystone GPS FPV RC drone HS100 with camera, live video and GPS return home. Quadcopter with adjustable wide-angle 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. Follow me. Altitude hold. Intelligent battery. Long control range. This fits your. Enter your model number to make sure this fits. GPS assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return to home (RTH) function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. Optimized 720p 120 degrees FOV FPV Wi-Fi camera, 90 degrees adjustable angle, captures high-quality video and aerial photos. You can enjoy the real-time viewing right from your remote control. Ideal selfie done, catching every moment of your vacation from a bird's-eye perspective. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots. Provides hands-free flying and selfie flying time up to 15 minutes. Longer control distance. Capacity of 2,500 mAh. High-performance battery and reaching up to 500 meters control distance, giving you a more extensive flight experience. Headless mode, altitude hold and one key takeoff and landing for easier operation. You will not have to worry about orientation, and with the simple press of a button your drone will rise to a height or land. Perfect for beginners. PS, blades are stored under the white foam box. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.